Alex.
And I'm Jonas.
And welcome to JL Pokemon. And we got a Regieleki
and an Eeveelutions box.
Regieleki collection we got right here. So this got some new packs in there. So we're excited to open these bad boys. And we do get a Regieleki and a, I wish it was Regieleki V, which kind of sucks. But we do get 4 new packs to open. And then we also just have a Gamestop exclusive of the Eeveelution. Was it premium collection? Premium collection box.
The Eeveelutions.
So how about we get straight into this, and we'll catch you guys in a second. Before that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Ring the bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at _PKMN and the Talking Text TicToks. So how about we get straight into this? We'll catch you guys in a second. All right, guys. So I kind of ripped this box a little, but that's okay. But we're gonna get everything out of here. Boom.
Cool.
So here we go, here it is, and how about we do a coin flip to see who goes first. Jonas is heads, I'm tails. This also determines who gets the extra pack. Tails, which means I will be getting the extra pack, and I will be going first. So here we go, we have Regieleki. Let's look at this guy. We got Switching Bolt and Lightning Wall. During your opponent's next turn, this Pokemon takes 100 less. So that's pretty nice.
And then we got
this spinny looking thing, but this is not bad. 200 HP, and that's just the same on this V. And this is just the same Regidraco that came in Evolving Skies. The Pokemon Company is definitely not lazy when it came with this box.
Nope.
All right, Jonas, what do you got?
So I got, oh my, how am I supposed to grab this?
Put the thing back in. Oh my. That's cool.
We got all the Eeveelutions.
These are all just reprints, guys, so don't worry. They're all just the same.
We're just gonna like stack them. That was satisfying. So
they're all the same as the
Flareon,
Evolving Skies, right?
Eevee
came in. That's an old box. That's came out. That's that's what I'm D.
V Umbreon,
Sylveon, Espeon,
Glaceon,
Leafeon, Jolteon, Vaporeon. So yeah, these are all just. Well, at least with this box, you get like 9 more V's or whatever.
How about you help me sleeve these up?
Nah, it's fine. We'll sleeve them later. And so for the packs, we got some Last Origin.
Oh, nice.
There we go. So here, I will go first. I'll save the new packs for last. Let's see what we get out of this, and I'll start with my Fusion Strike pack. I would not recommend starting with the new set.
I'm starting with Chilling Pain.
Oh, ow. Oh!
Need help?
Oh, there we go. Okay. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but look how short I made this nail. Look at that. You can see like the skin underneath it. There's no white spot on that. It's just, it hurts.
That's amazing. That's great.
Watch now. This is Fusion Strike, so this is it's the oldest pack in the set, so this is probably the one that we're gonna get something out of.
Come on.
So we have here, let's move this out of the way. Water Energy, Power Tablet, that's nice. Skater's Park is kind of nice. Togedemaru, Morpeko, Skarmory, Shelmet, Plusle, Mana, Trevenant, Aeon. Oh, just a Huntail. So that means we're still in store for something.
Okay, we got Chilling Pain.
There.
There we go. Lightning, Hunter,
Flannery, Crabominable, Deerling, Galarian Slowpoke, Coughing, Yamask, Snorunt, Karen's Conviction,
and a Dugtrio.
Dugtrio. So, Chilling Pain, brought the pain. All right, guys. So we have our next pack of Berlin Stars coming up. So let's see what we get. Ooh,
come on, Arceus.
Saw a V in there, I do believe.
Arceus.
Looks like a grass type. Weavile, Kindler, Cafe Master, Burmy, Chimecho, Chimchar. Ooh, is that a...
Binaco.
Ooh, double turbo reverse.
Energy.
And I do believe we are getting a V. Oh, no, it's a lightning type. It's Raichu.
V.
And Raichu is quite a playable card. It got a Dynamic Spark, which is very similar to Bucephalon GX. So that is very hype. Check that out. Yay, except it's this card instead of Lost Card, which isn't bad. Let's get this bad boy sleeved up.
We got some nice Fusion Strike.
Boom. Check that out. Raichu V.
Look at that, Lewis.
All right, let's see what you're getting out of this one. By the way, I got new glasses.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Oops, sorry, camera. Darkness.
Darkrai.
Croconaut. Sparkle. Phalanx. Choodle. Vullaby. Dewpider.
Meow. Cook. Are you cooking?
No.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell
All right, so we have an Astral Radiance pack to open. Boom.
Trainer Gallery.
Azelf, Shieldon, Lucy,
Oh, Alza for
Bronzor, Ashiwat, Hoot can the reverse be an Mesprit? Maybe. Sandler. No, it's just a Sudowoodo in front of whatever that place
Runes.
is again. No. It's an outpost of some sort. Ooh, it's a rare? It's just a Basket Legion.
Alright, Brilliant Stars.
Arceus is in
Give me
that bad
some
boy.
nice Arceus. Give me an Arceus. Alright.
Alright, let's see what you're getting out of this.
2, 3, 4. Boom.
Can we get a double maybe?
Flip. Here we go.
Double?
Metal.
Maybe another gold Arceus. Can
Bearchick.
you imagine that?
Collapse Stadium. Luxio. Execute. Starly. Shroomish. Piplup. Turtwig.
No, not a double, but it's just a holo, I do believe. Yeah, just a
Professor's Research, which is
holo.
still a playable card.
Still a playable card, but sadly not a hit.
Unfortunately. What do you got next, Lewis? Lost Origins?
Lost Origins. So maybe we can get ourselves a Giratina or a
Nope.
that wasn't the rare.
Alright.
Giratina or maybe Zoroark. Fire type energy, Riley,
Electric.
Suing Sliggoo, Sudowoodo, Bronzor, Electric, Ghastly, Binacle,
Ooh. Aw.
oh, reverse rare, Mr. Mime, and
Mr. Mime.
nope, it's a Banette.
Banette.
I thought it was Mr. Mime, but it's not.
That would have been funny. Alright, we got another
So
Astral
far not
Radiance.
so good, but we got our 2 new packs here, which we can open.
What can we get in Astral Radiance again?
Palkia,
Right.
which I wouldn't mind. Palkia is really good.
Yeah.
Do you think?
No.
Here's some fruit for thought. Some food for thought. From some food for thought.
Oopsie. Overquill.
Do you think we're gonna
Tomato.
get TG
Barbo.
TGVs in EX in the EX's series, the Scarlet Violet?
Probably not. Eevee. Heracross.
Actually, I don't even know what this
Teddy
is.
Ursa. Falinks.
Trainer Gallery.
With a B in the background, and we got
Ooh, ooh.
a Suian Braviary.
What? What was I seeing just then? Did you guys see that? That little sparkle that we had on the go? Oh, Jonas.
Whoa.
That's not a sparkle, never mind. But look at that. Look how bad that look, I thought he was gonna pull something. See that? That looks so bad. Anyways.
Listen.
Alright. It's like the guys on America's Got Talent making the UFO impressions. If you know, you know.
Skibbity dog,
Dog, dog, yes, yes,
skibbity dibbity dog.
Stibbity dop 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 yes 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 stibbity dip stibbity double double yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we got a fighting energy.
Carbank.
Lake Aquity.
Seal.
Seal. Suing Zorua. Snover.
Machop.
Machop. Pikachu.
Orbeetle. Oh. What is
That's
this?
something.
What is this?
Here, let me
Is
see.
that a V-Star?
Let's see if we can get the type out. It's a
Trainer.
It's
Colress's Experiment! That is a playable card.
that is
too.
a playable card for a rainbow rare.
Perfect.
Okay.
We got a hit, guys. Okay, I got a lot of cards.
This is our first really good hit.
We got a lot of cards here.
Check that out, ladies and gentlemen.
Colress's Experiment.
Look at that. Look at the top 5 cards of your deck and put 3 of them into your hand and the other is in the lost zone. That is a
really
great
good
card.
Yeah. All right, I'm on to Crown.
Card?
Okay.
And to the Crown pack.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what he's getting out of this one. So far, we have not had very good luck with this. Actually, what did we get out of the last one? Oh,
Oh yeah, we got the.
we got one of the best cards in the set,
Yeah.
but if you want to see that, make sure to check the eye.
We got a
There we
Gravel, a Bisharp,
Great ball.
Great Ball,
Reminds me of the new
Voltoid.
Bisharp Evolution.
Tangela,
If you guys don't know about the new Bisharp Evolution,
King Gambit,
if that's a spoiler, I don't know, dude.
Snowrunt,
Snorunt,
Pancham,
Pancham, Trainer Gallery? Magnezone.
That looks really cool.
That looks super sick.
And we got a Calyrex.
Oh, Calyrex
which is a
Hall.
grass type?
Yeah, Calyrex is.
I would not expect that. I don't think we need to put that in there.
On to my first pack of this.
I think so far it hits. I have more hits. Oh, I think I saw something else.
Maybe, maybe not. Ultra Ball is
I
playable.
love that.
I
That
like
looks
this.
like the
Digging Duo.
Digging Duo. Bisharp.
Bisharp, Scralp,
Grubbin.
Rubbin, Purloin, Slandit, Coffin, Swablu Trainer Gallery. Check that out. That looks
That
so
looks
sick.
really cool, yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
I don't
And
think you're seeing anything.
Oh!
Sky
Seal Stone!
Sky Sealstone. That is probably the best holo I could get out of that.
Yeah.
And if you attach it to one of your V stars, one of your V star V Max during your turn, use this ability during this turn. If your opponent's active Pokemon is a V star or active V Max is knocked out by an attack from your basic Pokemon V, take one more prize.
Wow. Does that mean you could be getting upwards of 4 prize cards a turn?
You could be getting 4 prize cards a turn with this baby. That is really
That is a
good.
really playable card.
Yep, so boom, Sky Sealstone, and then a lovely
I'm gonna
Swablu.
move some good stuff in the way.
That is a great hit out of that. That is our first stone. Seal stone. That is our first seal stone.
And it's a good stone, too.
That is really good. Those remind me of the new tablets that we're getting in Minecraft.
Oh, yeah.
The new upgrade tablets.
Not a huge fan of them.
I like them.
I just like how you can customize your armor now. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
Psychic energy.
Psychic, please. Electric. Rescue Carrier.
That's good.
Luxio. Larvesta.
Snorunt.
Snorunt.
Switch.
That's
Not a
pretty
new
cool.
artwork for Switch.
Panchan.
Helioptile.
Shinx.
Just a Wailord. Okay, on to my final and last pack of this opening. Okay, we have a Metal Energy,
Right. it doesn't-
Lost Vacuum,
I think I see
Soul
something.
Rock, Lunatone,
You might even be getting a double here.
Yanma, Emolga, Love Disc,
Execute,
Switch.
Oh, you are getting a double.
That's for your deck, look.
Yup. I know.
Lesson in Zeal.
And. Oh, wait.
Just a holo, maybe? Oh, Zacian Hollow.
We got a legendary.
But we did get this super sick artwork with it's a Tomokazu Kamiya
I don't know how to
artwork.
pronounce it.
Don't you're just gonna butcher it.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. So there we go. That's our final hit. So out of all the things we got 9 promos. But we did get Culver's Experiment, Raichu, or Choreo, and we did get the Regieleki, of course. So that's not a bad opening.
I mean,
not
seeing
bad.
that we
You did get 9 promos,
though.
10, 11 promos in total from this opening. So, I mean, 12 if you want to count the big card. That's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Ring the bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Joe_PKM.
And the talk ticks the tick of the top.
That is right. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a blast making it, of course.
A blast off.
So, Culver's Experiment is definitely our best hit out of this one. Or Sky Sealstone, which I don't know. Can rack up the money a bit.
Both playable, so.
Yeah, so that's it for this opening. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. See ya.
Bye.